friends, I am going to show you that how do we clean stove को अच्छी an oily stain in it. You can see that my stove using baking powder for cleaning this. So friends, the second hack, as you can see, is this dirty black stain you can see in the slab. So now we're going to use baking powder, and you will see the magic of baking powder, how it will clean this dirty place. It properly. Friends, you can see that there is a lot of stain here, and now you will see the magic using baking powder is going in it. As you can see that we have put a baking powder in it like this. Clean it like this properly. फिर ये आपको अच्छी तरह इसको करना है. Hi friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good by the grace of Almighty God. So friends, today I am going to share with you a very important solution, a very important usage of using a baking powder. हमारे सबके घर में बेकिंग पाउडर ज़रूर होता है, बिकॉज वी यूज़ बेकिंग पाउडर इन मेकिंग अ फूड, बेकिंग केक एंड ऑल. सो बहुत कम लोगों को पता है कि बेकिंग पाउडर और चीज़ों के लिए भी इस्तेमाल होता है. जैसे कि अगर आपका घर में अगर थोड़ा सा बहुत एक स्टेन लगा हुआ है और वो निकल रहा नहीं है, तो आप थोड़ा सा बेकिंग पाउडर लगा के और इसको थोड़ा सा स्पंज से क्लीन करके तो वो निकल जाता है. सो दिस ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इन दिस वीडियो. क्योंकि I got married 6-7 years have passed. I have learned a lot of things in my life. So काफ़ी चीज़ों का मुझे problems आते हैं, but there's always a solution to it, and the solutions are called hack. So today I am going to share with you a baking powder hack, जो कि है बहुत आसान hack है. So for this I hope you need to watch this video till the end, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's begin. So friends, I am going to show you that how do we clean the stove properly. So using baking powder, because baking powder is the hack, बहुत अच्छा hack होता है जो आपके स्टोव को अच्छी तरह क्लीन कर देगा. तो ये बेकिंग पाउडर जा रहा है इसमें, ठीक है. फिर इसके बाद आपको अच्छी तरह इसको साफ़ करना है. ब्रश, ये स्पंज है, ठीक है. स्पंज के साथ आपको ऐसे साफ़ करना है. जो बेकिंग पाउडर होता है ना, वो जो चीज़ गंदा होता है ना, वो साफ़ कर लेता है. सो दिस इज़ समथिंग दैट इट्स अ वेरी यूज़फुल हैक, यूजिंग बेकिंग पाउडर टू क्लीन योर स्टोव विच हैज़ गॉट एन ऑयली स्टेन इन इट. ठीक है, बेकिंग पाउडर का हो गया. अभी अच्छी तरह आपको साफ़ करना है इसमें, ठीक है. देन विद द क्लॉथ और वेट क्लॉथ, गीला कपड़ा जो होता है ना, वो आपको उससे साफ़ करना है। देखो साफ़ हो गया ये। So guys, as you can see that the stove is become very clean. You just need to use baking powder in it and a clean sponge, and then with the wet cloth then you can clean it, and you can see that it's become very clean. See that my stove is cleaned properly. Using baking powder for cleaning this. You need to spread it all over. Then you have to clean it with a sponge. Now you can see that these black stains. So guys, you can see these black stains will go away. You need to clean it properly, and you will see the difference in 2 minutes, that how clean it will become using just one small a pinch of baking powder in it. You need to clean it properly. Clean the edge of it. Now you will see the difference. So guys, you can see how clean it's become. So friends, the second hack, as you can see, is this dirty black stain you can see in the slab. So now we're going to use baking powder, and you will see the magic of baking powder, how it will clean this dirty place. Can see that how it is working. Baking soda is used for a lot of purpose. बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. So we have just put a pinch of baking powder and you can see the difference in this video. So then you have to clean it properly. So you can see that it's become very clean. So this is the best hack of using baking powder. Friends, you can see that there is a lot of stain here, and now you will see the magic using baking powder, how this stain will go away. Just I've put the baking powder. Baking powder is going in it. As you can see that we have put a baking powder in it. You have to spread the baking powder all over. With water you have to spread it. You have to clean it like this. So you have to do this. Clean it like this. Clean it like this. Clean all the edges, all the corner. With baking powder, you have to use a sponge or you have to clean it like this. You have to clean the whole floor with it. And you will see the difference, that it will become very clean using just baking powder. Then you need to put water. Spread water all over properly. Show water properly. फिर ये आपको अच्छी तरह इसको करना है पानी के साथ. As you can see now it's already turned clean. You can use a wiper to clean it properly, because obviously you have put water, so you have to clean the water, otherwise the thing is going to be very slippery. So you have to wipe it with a wiper, take the water off with a wiper. So guys, आज अभी आप देख सकते हो कि जगह बेकिंग पाउडर डालने से ये फ्लो इतना साफ हुआ है, and the tiles are looking really very clean. So there are a lot of benefits of using baking powder when you feel that there is a stain which cannot be taken out with a surf or anything. So I think baking powder is the best option to use. Then you have to use a pocha, a mop, a cloth for mopping, and then you will see the difference, that it's become very clean. The portion has become very clean.